This looks so natural. This hair is so soft. Like, you go from this to this. It looked like my hair. I'm so in love. Okay. Where's this? 5 bundles of 16-inch of Afro kinky bulk hair. Pause to read on how to create a twist. This hair like comes in layers, so I like to split up the layers. When I've worked with this hair before, a lot of people ask me why didn't I wet the hair. I tried that in another video and I really didn't like it. I just like to go through in sections like this and pull my sections apart. It's easier and works out better for me. And again, this hair is in 16 inches and it's super soft. But yeah, let's get to it. Alright, so I just split up all of this hair. I know it doesn't look like it, but it's split, baby. I already have my sections pre-parted out, and if you would like to see how I got this grid for these individual braids, I'll leave a link down below. And for these sections, I started off with the braid and then went into twisting my hair, so I'm just taking loose to twist. And honestly, when you do these twists, it starts off as a braid anyway. So I'm just going to leave this little braid at the top. Braid in the piece of kinky hair. And I do have my curl cluster right here. I like this because it's real thin and it helps keep my hair inside of the twist or the braid, depending on which one I'm doing at the moment. And then I also have some hair cream, which I should have added first, but I'm adding some now. I'm going to do these a little longer than I usually do my mini twists. So with this much hair remaining, I'll go ahead and add in another piece and twist that in. Okay, now just continue to twist down. And the ends get a little straggly, so I think I just want to put like a knot, a blunt right here. So twist it and then twist it going up and down. Okay, like that. Alright, so here's where the twist ended for this one. Now grab it at the same spot and then twist it up. Oh, these twists are so soft. This hair is really soft. All right, y'all, I'm making some progress. These are really cute and they're so soft. Oh, like I said, my hair has already been pre-sectioned and I have like a little braid at the top. So just to continue that braid, take my afro hair, place it right against my hair and braid those two together. Then twist. I add a little curl cluster. Then start to add in more of the afro hair. Sometimes I add in 2 pieces and then sometimes I add in 3. It just depends. But I am putting these little knots at the end. So as long as I have enough for that, which this one I don't, so I will add another piece. There. Now take that and do my little knot. Okay, and boom. I am so in love with these twists. Look at my hair. This hair is so soft. Like, you go from this to this. It looked like my hair. I'm so in love. Okay, I love when I do my hair and it makes me feel so good like this. Okay, so this is one pack. I love this hair. I'm not playing. Second pack, 16 inches, baby. See, like, look at this. You see this texture right here? It's almost giving like a kinky straight versus this side. It's a little bit more like Afro kinky. Maybe that's why this hair is feeling so soft. I don't know. I don't know, but I love it. Let's get a couple pieces out. And you guys, you can get this hair from Amazon. So you order it today, baby, you probably have it by tomorrow, if not the day after for sure. Because you know with Amazon, well, if you have Prime. Oh, that's my bacon. Because I'm fixing me a salad with extra bacon. I usually do 4 pieces of bacon with my salad, but I was at the end of the pack of the bacon, so I fixed 5 strips. But yeah, let's put this on hold. I just put all this hair in my lap. Wait, one more time. This looks so natural. And then it's that my section was already pre-parted out. So it looked even more natural. The fact that my roots aren't super slicked down. I crocheted this one back through because it was a little too loose for my liking. Alrighty, throw down. See my salad? Everything I have on it is pretty thick and hefty. Here's my bacon, so I can have a piece of bacon with every bite of my salad. And then I decided to just add a little avocado. Yeah, wasn't any more room on here for my avocado. It looked like a lot of food, but you know, a salad is just bird food, baby. Let me mixy. Okay, so this is what I have left, just the front section. Ooh, I'm eating salt and vinegar chips, and baby, are they vinegary. I'm actually sleepy. I keep yawning. All right, so what I'm doing now is I take my latch hook and I go ahead and crochet my section through versus doing it at the end and having to pull that whole braid through. I just do it at first. That's old product. I do it and you see how it tightened that right on up. Now I'll go ahead and do my twist. Get my 3 pieces. Hair already sectioned now or whatever. Gorilla knot. Add on my afro hair. And then once I get the strand of hair that's just mine, I like to split that up and then twist. Add some more gorilla knot right here where my hair is. Make sure it stays inside of the twist. Second piece of Marley hair. I just line the 2 sections up together, twist one side, and then twist the other. Okay, and then this is really how long the twist is. So this is how long the twist is, coming down here. Put my finger here and wrap up. And back down and up and down until it's all done. And there, you see how good that looks? Like that. Okay, like this one goes down in the books for like one of the top mini twist styles I have done. Like, I don't know, I just love them so much. They're super soft, super lightweight. They look really neat. I love them. Versus. So yeah, really quick recap. It took me, I want to say it probably took me like 10 hours total. And I used 3 packs of hair. I love how they look because they look pretty natural. And what else? I think that's it. Like I said so many times, this hair is so soft. It's really spongy, super lightweight. Gotta love it. Oh, pulling it to the side looks so good. I don't know, this is cute. So yeah, I think that's all the information that I have to share with you guys. So y'all make sure you click the link to go shop this hair. You can do these mini twists how I did. Click the link down below so you go watch my shorts on this hair as well as on my dress. Right now you're getting a little sneak peek. Yeah, I love you guys. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what's up and I'll see you next time.